Okay, in this episode, we're talking about direct objects. Yeah, it's going to be exciting. So, what am I doing with this tape? This tape is a direct object. Here's what I mean when I say direct object. Okay, pretend I'm a sentence on the board. I'm the subject. Here's the verb, hold. Here's the direct object, tape. A direct object receives the action. I'm being the subject. Aren't I a nice subject? Yeah. Here's the action. I'm holding it. Here's the direct object. The direct object is receiving the action. Get it? Not so complicated. Whatever receives the action is the direct object. In this case, the tape. Oh, and the object I just broke. Anyway.